What if I told you China is building one of the most ambitious economic regions in human history? A mega-city cluster of over 70 million people, designed to rival Silicon Valley, Tokyo, and New York all in one place. This is the Greater Bay Area, and it could reshape how the world does business. The Greater Bay Area, or GBA, was officially announced in 2017 as a national strategy to integrate Hong Kong, Macau, and 9 major cities in southern China. But the idea actually goes back decades. This region was already known as the Pearl River Delta, the factory of the world, from the 1980s to 2010. Today, the goal is transformation from manufacturing hub to a global innovation powerhouse. The ultimate vision? By 2035, the GBA aims to become a globally leading innovation and economic hub, seamlessly connected across borders. Think 1-hour travel between cities, integrated financial systems, and cross-border talent movement. It's not just about growth, it's about integration. So how much is being invested? Already, tens of billions of dollars flow into the region every year, with real estate investment alone hitting over $8.8 annually in recent years. But when you include infrastructure, bridges, rail, smart cities, total long-term investment is estimated in the hundreds of billions, potentially over $1 trillion over time. Few projects globally match this scale. There are only a few comparable mega-regions globally: San Francisco Bay Area, Tokyo Bay Area, New York Metropolitan Area. But here's the difference: those evolved naturally over decades. The GBA is being built intentionally, at speed, and at massive scale. So what does this mean for you, wherever you are? For businesses, new supply chains, new markets, new opportunities. For consumers, faster innovation, cheaper products, more competition. And for global cities, a new kind of competitor, not just a city, but an entire region working as one. The Greater Bay Area isn't just China's future. It could shape the global economy for decades to come. And in the next videos, we'll break down exactly how to tap into the opportunities here. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead.